entire organizing committee, the Indian Oncology Foundation, extend a warm welcome to all the participants, the faculties, and I have the honor and the privilege of welcoming our honorable chief guest, none other than the Honorable Dr. Jitendra Singh, to the inaugural day of this 3-day conference, which is on a virtual platform. The first day is dedicated to the discussion on gastric cancer, which is a logical culmination of the book which has been authored by the eminent oncologist from India, and the book will be unveiled, will be released by the Honorable Minister. The second day is dedicated to discussion on lung cancer, and the third day, breast cancer. Ladies and gentlemen, the entire program is very innovative. We have teased out questions from day-to-day practice, and the eminent faculty are going to debate and deliberate on these questions, and hopefully we would be arriving at many conclusion and takeaway messages which would shape the practice of all of us, and especially the young and budding oncologists. I have the privilege and the honor to introduce our honorable chief guest of the day, Dr. Jitendra Singh, who is the illustrious son of the soil and wears many hats. He is the professor of internal medicine and endocrinology at the Government Medical College, Jammu. He is the original thinker, author, a professor, and an astute politician. Ladies and gentlemen, he has authored many publications and has, to his credit, 12 textbooks for the postgraduates in internal medicine under his tutelage and his authorship. Many batches of the undergraduate and the postgraduate have passed out, and I'm proud to say that I'm one of them. Very affable gentleman, empathetic and patient-centric physician, and been writing a column which was the editorial in the most read daily of the state of Jammu and Kashmir, daily associated, and came under the heading Tales of Pregnancy. It was much anticipated every week, read by a cross-section of entered the politics at a time when it was crucial and led the most successful and the paradigm-shifting socio-political movement in the history of Jammu and Kashmir, which changed the face of politics forever. And he has been very ardent, projecting and very effectively propagating the nationalist voice of Jammu and Kashmir at the national and international levels. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Jitendra Singh holds the important portfolios in the Government of India. He is a Minister of State at the Prime Minister's office. He is in charge Minister for the Development of the Northeast region. He is the Minister of State, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions. He is Minister of State, Department of Atomic Energy. He is Minister of State, Department of Space, Government of India. Holding portfolios is something which happens to many, but he is one person who has led the change very vociferously, and all of us are aware of the changes which have happened under his guidance, and he's initiated the series of the PMO. Development of the Northeast has been accelerated under his leadership. He's been spearheading the abolition of the interviews for junior level recruitment. And all of us are aware that the archaic and the age-old practice of attestation of the documents by gazetted officers was done away only by his reformist activities. And he's been leading the change towards more citizen-centric governance. Ladies and gentlemen, I can go on, and list his accomplishments, but in the interest of time, we move on, and I have the privilege to invite him to inaugurate this 3-day conference, release a book on gastric cancer, and address the participants as well. Thank you, sir, for taking out your time from your busy schedule and being with us this evening. Sir, I invite you to inaugurate the book, address the participants. Thank you, sir.